What we're doing here is we're solving an absolute value inequality. In order for us to solve this, we have to set up as a compound inequality. You notice that we have greater, so the compound will be or. We're going to have the absolute value of x plus 2 is greater than 4. So to set up our compound inequality, it's going to be x plus 2 is greater than 4, or x plus 2 is less than negative 4. So what we do here first is we subtract 2, and we know that 2 minus 2 is 0, and we have x is greater than 2. Or we subtract 2 from both sides, and we have x is less than negative 6. So now to express this as a solution, we're going to use a number line. And we're going to go ahead and place circles around the points here. We have 2 open circles since there's no equal sign, and negative 6. So now we just read the inequality. X or any number greater than 2, so we're shading to the right of 2. This says x is less than negative 6, so we're shading to the left of negative 6. For us to express this as an interval, you notice that they approach infinity and negative infinity respectively. So we're going to go ahead and indicate our interval as from negative infinity to negative 6 union 2 comma to infinity. And you notice we have parentheses around the 2 and the negative 6 since it's not equal to 2 and negative 6.